everybody. Hey. Welcome to PowerNation After Hours.
Are we live?
We're live.
Did you bring enough pizza for everybody?
Yeah.
If you fight me for it.
We got free pizza today, so Pat's going to auction off the pizza box. After he's done eating, he's going to sign it, so if anybody wants a free pizza box.
Send us your address and we'll send you a used pizza box.
Nothing's free.
Actually, we'll all sign it. How about that?
You're going to get a bunch of people that are going to ask for it.
Black olives.
So what's going on everybody's shop this week? What are you guys up to?
Man, we started a new build today, a little Windsor project. We're going to be stroking it, adding some cubic inches, and running it on our brand new dyno room soon. So looking forward to that.
Again, I can't hear it down here. It's very disappointing.
Yeah, we don't like it.
So we're going to show off some more of it on this show with the fuel system design and all that stuff. Which we're not really proud of.
That's awesome. What about XOR? What are you guys doing like right now? Not this weekend on the shows, but what are you building?
Right now, we're probably got about a gazillion hours into welding the cage on the pre-runner. So when we build stuff on TV, obviously, it's you tack everything together. We tack everything together because you guys don't want to see us weld forever. So now that the cameras aren't on.
I'd say, what's the last thing people at home have seen on the pre-runner versus where you are today?
Last thing, I don't even know what was last week. Last week would have been
Tire carrier.
Tire carrier? No, that's this week actually. I think we hung.
Way to ruin it.
Way to ruin it.
We'll get there.
We might have put all the fiberglass on the truck.
Okay.
Yeah.
Possibly. Did we put all the fiberglass? We made it look like a truck again. So, right now it's just kind of all taken apart. Just in case you guys don't know, we're upstairs in the XOR studio. So this is our.
If you guys walk over and just look, you can see it from the mezzanine. Have a look.
So this is upstairs in the XOR studio. This is where we edit. This is where we order parts. This is where we sit down on Fridays. And this is where we can kind of just come up and hide if we feel like hiding. But
And these guys have the nicest studio, by the way.
Yeah, this is the only studio that has.
we have a raised ceiling too. We don't have heat, but we have a raised ceiling.
You know, he's in the basement.
Yeah, so on XOR this week, what are we doing this weekend on XOR?
Get the dash installed and center console made, and then you're getting spare tire.
Yeah, adding two spare tires because
Why do you need two spare tires?
you go really fast in the day and there's
Just carry a can of fixed flat.
Like the diesel needs two turbos, you know.
That actually had 4 tires just in the back, so I'm just trying to do the
See, I would need two spare tires.
Yeah, technically you would.
I just need 2 cup holders. I don't care about that.
Doesn't a dually already have 2 spare tires on it already?
You just
Yeah, one goes flat.
roll around on
The
it.
other, what's up with you guys? Oh, us. Right now we're Austin, why don't you tell them what we're doing in the shop right now?
Right now we're actually installing rear sway bars, like about 2 minutes prior to coming here. What else did we do?
What project are you
A little
working on?
red Todd, a little brake upgrade on the front, and gears. Put some 4 pins in the rear. A little more get up and go.
Hey, you guys just picked up a truck. And it's
We did.
Are you going to talk about it?
We haven't showed everybody what our new project truck is yet.
Yeah, not just yet, huh?
It's not a secret, but you can't just give away the. You can't give away
What
the
color
keys.
is it?
Yeah,
It's
what color?
It's a lot.
Don't give it away.
So
Trying to figure that one out.
That's the only teaser.
Yeah, so we just in real time we just bought a new truck. You all won't see that at home for a long time. This weekend on the show is actually a rerun for us to one of my favorite projects, Project Supermax from last year. We took a 2003 single cab long box 2500 HD with the LB7 Duramax, and we shortened it. We actually in the episode that's going to air, we cut the frame. We took 15 inches out of the center of the frame, 4 or 5 inches off the back, and we basically recreated a factory short box frame. You tell I'm excited because that was like my favorite project that I've ever had a chance to work on.
I can feel the actual seat.
Yeah.
Oh, it's, I get pumped up.
Seat's starting to sweat.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Seats getting warm.
So that's what happens on Truck Tech this weekend on History.
I talked
What
a lot
about-
of smack about that truck, but that truck was awesome.
Okay, so again, that's an old rerun, but we got Mark and I went out for a test drive. We did some boosted launches, 4-wheel drive boosted launches, and that truck. It was only like 550 horsepower, but it was
Torquey.
it was fun.
Oh yeah, that was fun. It would bite on the street.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
One thing diesels do is they bite.
Y'all got into the line 14.
I'm just
Sorry?
kidding.
Y'all
Just
got into
kidding.
14s.
No. No, we didn't see
No, this was on on the well, not the street. Professional.
This,
driver.
yeah, this is a close race.
That's sports racing.
It was a simulated
Uh-huh.
street. It wasn't a real street around here.
This is one of our first things we got to do. We went out with Pat.
Yeah, with the barbecue burnouts.
Yeah, when you guys went to the strip and you came along with that.
Yes,
And
Yeah.
and that's actually, that leads us to what actually I saw our show this weekend.
Okay.
One of your favorite projects.
This is absolutely one of my favorite projects. This was a project Pro Street or No Street. We have this Nova that was it was a neat car when we first got it. It was a little on the sketchy side, I'm not gonna lie. When we took it for a test drive, I think it's in this show, we get back to the shop and the steering's extremely loose. We wonder why it wouldn't stop. It had the 4-pump brake. You have to pump it 4 times before the brakes would actually do it. So, but we
I think that was because of the spindle movement. It stretched
again,
up
it was
the tires.
oh my god. That car was frightening to say the least. But we tore this the episode, I believe, where we're tearing the thing down. We put a front end on it. We go through the whole process on this car, and it was a fun car, and it was bad fast, and I was actually sorry to see how we went.
Well, I mean, off the foot brake, just easy launches. What did it run?
I mean, this thing was when we ran 590s at 118, and that wasn't even getting on it. That was no trans brake launch. That we were actually shaking the car down at the strip when we did that. So
5 seconds off the trailer.
yeah, it was a 5-second 8-mile car off the trailer, which the engine was the 588 we built. That engine made 953 horse.
Naturally aspirated.
Naturally aspirated. No turbos
Just
on
thinking
that.
how fast it could have been, though.
You know, that's I just can't do it on something like that. I get a little scared. So.
Single carburetor, naturally
Yes,
aspirated.
yeah, and it was injected too.
Yeah.
We had a Holly injection on it.
That's odd for you, Pat. A fuel injected engine.
That's a kicking and screaming situation right there. No, in all seriousness, there's nothing wrong with that. And that one was a port injection. It had a big Wilson, 4500 series throttle body on it. Giant 2000 CFM throttle body.
Crank trigger.
Crank trigger. It was a real race bull. It was a compression engine. So we do a few of those. We have actually some good ones coming up that have some large compression, and that's one of yours. And we actually, and we've been doing a few Chevys, but we got a Ford coming up. We took a trip down to Kazi's this year, and we did a big inch Ford down there that's coming up in future episodes. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So.
Well, and talking about muscle, Detroit muscle. What do you guys?
What's
got?
on?
Yeah, okay.
What are you working on right now?
Okay, right now, we got a lot going on right now. Well, currently our charger is being worked on, not by us. This is one of the rare instances where we've got somebody else involved with our build, and you'll see why when that stuff airs later on. But that car is currently getting advanced quite a bit in a short period of time. But then the other big projects that we have going on right now in the shop, and we're working on them simultaneously, would be the Buick Regal project and the 81 Mustang Cobra. And now the Cobra's almost finished, but it's now at the point where, as all of you know, and a lot of you watching know, when a project gets to a certain point, then you have to do all the stuff that's not fun, like tidy up all the wiring and
You're at that spot where it's the 10% rule, where it's,
oh yeah,
10% of the stuff left takes 90%
of
of the time.
Yeah. So that's where I'm at right now. So I don't really look forward to that tedious stuff, but once I start knocking things off the list, it's a little bit more enjoyable. I've got some of you guys involved in what I've been working on. I've actually been doing that all week, just getting the stuff, getting the steering shaft made, and getting the brake master in, throttle cable on, all that stuff, wiring.
You've got a heck of a list on the windshield.
It's quite the list.
I have never seen anybody as organized as this man right here. He's got a proper checklist.
I try.
This
Well, if I don't make the list, I'll forget about it. Like tighten the suspension, the bolts on the control arms on the suspension. I need to make sure I do that. So, but the other thing is the Buick, and they're actually shooting that right now for a future show, and that's Tommy's making a custom spoiler for that car out of aluminum. So that's pretty cool.
Where's Tommy right now?
They're shooting right now. They're shooting.
That's dedication.
Yeah,
right
He's
They're
keeping it
still
between the ditches.
there. Oh,
Yeah, he is.
That is.
But they're trying to get. If it doesn't get done today, it'll get done Monday. But they're trying to just keep trucking on that so we can move on to something else. But that's what's been going on with that. And then our show that's airing this weekend is actually a couple of things on the Buick and the Mustang. One's going to be the fuel system and cooling system on the box body Mustang. And then the Buick, Tommy's got something special planned for the shifter. He's got a pretty cool shifter that he's putting in that, and he's custom mounting it and all that. So I think that's going to be pretty cool. So that's what's going on the new show this weekend.
That was everybody had a pretty good week, it sounds like. So.
Yeah, productive.
It was butt cold out here, wasn't it?
Yes, I am not used to this kind of cold.
You would not believe
I
all the
miss
cold
the
start
desert.
videos I've seen on Facebook this week.
Yeah, no joke. Well, I think something else that was really productive this week was our hand strength test. I think that got
That is something that has got completely out of hand, but I really like it. We have,
Should have brought it.
Where's Neil?
Neil's not here. To summarize, we have a 100-pound hand grip, worker outer device. And you take the. This is something you can try at home.
We need to make this a viral challenge. So anybody who watches this, record yourself doing what Pat's about to tell you. Post your video and hashtag PN Strength Challenge.
There you go.
All right.
You take this is a scale, a metal scale. It's 20 thousandths thick, and you hold it in between the grip, and you squeeze it, and you just time how long it takes you to hold it. When it drops out, the time stops. So
What's our record
right now, the current record is Mike Galley with 2 minutes and 4 seconds.
Yeah, I'm not sure how that happened.
I am trailing behind at 1 minute 54 seconds.
I'm happy that I beat quite a bit of people.
And Eliza beat half the people in the building.
Well,
So-
that's the man in the building.
I made it like 15 seconds.
Yeah,
Yeah, my
17
first
more.
attempt was 7 seconds.
Again, this is completely childish, ludicrous, and a complete. When everyone's walking around, everyone's in the back and they're shaking. It's disturbing and extremely funny at the same time.
Well, it's just like, these are just 4 real shots. We're just
Yeah,
a whole
no,
bunch
I
of
mean,
guys.
there's.
We do have
I
time to-
actually wish we could show a lot of the shenanigans that happen, but I don't know how that would ever go. So if we
There's not enough time to
There'd be a lot of bleeping going
there's some
on.
good.
There'd be a lot of
Yeah, we already got some of that in the real
I think
shots.
so.
Yeah, we'd have to hire someone just to put in the beat.
So this right here, guys, this is what we're using. It's called it's basically a hand grip machine, I guess.
It's not baby blue.
Yeah, no, ours is not blue. But if you guys can find one of these, it's, what was it, Pat? 40 kilograms, right?
Yeah, so almost 100 pounds. Well, almost
40
100 pounds.
kilogram setting, hashtag PN Strength Challenge. The record is 2 minutes, 5 seconds right now. Okay, cool.
There we go. Good. Everybody have an awesome weekend.
Yeah.
I'm going.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks,
Check us out
everybody,
History
for
Channel Sunday morning.